What are the top 5 meals the outdoor boys made in the wilderness? Here are 5 of their best wilderness meals. Number 1. King Crab Legs Feast. On the Alaskan coast, they steamed massive king crab legs, cracking them open to reveal juicy, buttery meat, a true seafood delicacy straight from the wild. Number 2. Lamb shank by the campfire. In the heart of the Alaskan wilderness, they slow-cooked a succulent lamb shank over an open flame, letting the rich flavors meld as the sun set behind the mountains. Number 3. Moose Ribs Feast. Deep in the snowy backcountry, they prepared hearty moose ribs, seasoning them to perfection and roasting them over a crackling fire, a true taste of the wild. Number 4. Campfire Steak and Couscous. Under the starlit sky, they grilled juicy steaks accompanied by fluffy couscous, creating a simple yet delicious meal that satisfied their rugged appetites. Number 5. Pork Ribs and Sweet Potatoes. Amidst towering trees, they cooked tender pork ribs alongside sweet potatoes, blending smoky and sweet flavors that epitomized comfort food in the wild, like the vid and sub. But now I'm wondering,